Hello everyone, this is Amberson. So today we're doing this product. This is a bamboo flooring that we are refinish. We're gonna be using 3-coats water-based commercial, one traffic. Let me walk you through what the project we're doing today. We have this walk-in closet. It's gonna be done as well soon. We're gonna be putting plastic on everything, so I'm gonna update you with the plastic as well. Then we have this room here. Machine is over here ready to remove the old color. So over there you can see this is happening with the sun. You can see the bleach between new and old. Over here we have the stairs. We are refinished the stairs. The edge is still here. It's a maple stairs. Just doing the first cut. And we're doing the stairs in the basements as well. So we're doing this, we're doing the blue nose, and let's see what else we're doing in this project. Down here, we have the plastic up. We are doing the countertop. They are very faded away, so we are sanding them and put 3-coats urethane, cosmoscas. Everything is set up. All the plastic. We're doing this step over here as well. Then we have here. In here we have a countertop too that we're gonna be refinish. It's the same thing. So this one has a lot of paint on it, so we're gonna be refinish as well shortly, okay? Cause we decided to do this one a while ago. Then we go down here. We have this section. We just opened up this, so we still covering it. And we're gonna do this one here. Then down here, we have the maple wood 5-inch. Gonna replace a couple boards here and there. And it's the same situation over here. So we're finished here. And we have some damaged boards over here. Be replaced. That's the wood for the replacement. Okay? If you need floors done, give us a call. 732-768-0854. You can call, you can text me, or you can leave a comment below. Whoever needs the floor done, just let us know.